Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below. Our YouTube channel will be showcasing this TIS and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this bad boy out. This is the 560B. This is in the size 2414 for those big boy trucks, 8x165 for those Chevy or Ram 2500 or Chevy 2500. -76 is the offset. 125 is the center board. And whenever you shop for this wheel, make sure to shop this part number here, 560B-244-8176. It'll take you straight to this wheel. This big boy, I'm gonna put it down on the floor and then I'm gonna take it out of the box. So check this, this thing's pretty heavy. So open the box here and showcase this one for you. So see how this bad boy looks. And let us know in the comments below what you guys think about this wheel. So let's uncover this wheel. There you go. Wow, there you go. So this is the 560B. So take it out of the box. Here you go. So this is your TIS wheel, live in the flesh, the 560B. Not much to say, it's just a huge wheel. Let me give you the lip size on this, 24x14. So from the face to the edge of the barrel, you're at 6.5 inches. There you have it. So multi-spoke wheel, TPMS sensor is compatible to this wheel. Conical seat lug nuts will go right in, so you need 60-degree taper lug nuts. And then it's just a plastic cap that covers the hole in the center. So if you guys are interested in this style, they do come in black with milled on the inside or full chrome. And then this one's the full gloss black finish, 560B. So if you guys are liking any of the TIS product, we do offer all TIS wheel styles, wheel models. And then don't hesitate, let us know and just give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you guys.